This is Ryan. He is a single father. His wife passed away 3 years ago. Since then, it has just been him and his son, Noah. Ryan pours cereal into a bowl. Noah sits at the table, quiet.
Eat fast, buddy. Bus comes in 10 minutes.
Okay, Dad.
You okay, Noah? You've been quiet this week.
I'm fine, Dad.
After Noah left for school, Ryan noticed his son's spare backpack on the couch. He picked it up to hang it in the closet. Something fell out. A folded piece of paper. Ryan unfolds it slowly. It was Noah's handwriting. Messy, careful, like a child trying to get the words exactly right.
Dear Mom, I know you can't read this, but I still write to you every week. Dad tries really hard, but he cries at night when he thinks I'm asleep. I don't tell him I hear it. I don't want him to feel bad. I just wish you were here so he wouldn't be so tired all the time. Noah.
Ryan sat at the table for a long time. He didn't go to his interview. He couldn't stop thinking about the letter.
He's 7 years old. He shouldn't be carrying this.
That evening, Noah came home from school. He saw his father sitting very still, holding the letter.
Dad, that's private.
Ryan kneels down to Noah's level.
I wasn't trying to snoop. It fell out of your bag.
I didn't want you to see it. I didn't want you to feel sad.
Noah, look at me. You've been carrying this alone, worrying about me. That's not your job, buddy. That's my job. I'm supposed to take care of you, not the other way around.
But you're always tired. And sometimes you cry. I hear you.
You're right. I do cry sometimes. I miss your mom every single day. But that doesn't mean I'm not okay, and it definitely doesn't mean you need to protect me.
Noah wipes his eyes.
I just don't want you to be alone, Dad.
I'm not alone. I have you. That's more than enough.
Can I still write letters to Mom?
Every single week, if you want. And maybe we write one together sometimes, out loud. So we're not doing this alone anymore.
I'd like that.
The next morning looked almost the same. Cereal, school bus in 10 minutes. But something was different.
Dad, can I tell you something?
Anything, buddy?
I'm glad you found the letter.
Me too. Noah, me too.
That folded piece of paper didn't just reveal a secret. It opened a door between a father and a son that grief had quietly closed. And on the other side of that door, they finally found each other again.